twisters are really tough. She sells seashells on the seashore. Do you think that comes very naturally to us? No, we practice. Please don't think that your English is not good if you're finding tongue twisters tricky, because they're very tricky. That's the whole purpose of them. So start off very slowly. She sells seashells on the seashore. Think about what you're saying. You're talking about a lady or a girl who is selling shells from the sea, seashells, at the beach. So she's selling them at the seashore. So think about it slowly. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. So when you have perfected all of the sounds, then you can speed up a little bit. Okay. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to follow me. And if you're interested in really accelerating your English speaking skills, particularly for work, let me know. I have the very solution just for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.